all. This is Gokila from the Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this lecture series, we are going to see about the control statements used in Java. So what is a control statement first? Java compiler executes the code from the top to bottom. These statements in the code are executed according to the order in which they appear. However, Java provides statements that can be used for control flow. That statements is called as control flow statements. One of the fundamental features of Java is that it provides a smooth flow of program. Java provides three types of control flow statements. One is called as if statements and switch statements, that is called as a decision making statements. And when we use for the looping, we have do while loop, for each loop. And also we have jump statements like break statement and also continue statements. So these statements are portrayed here along with the purpose. When we go for if else, it is used to write decisions for continuous conditions, that is an alternative to be executed. It executes the alternative choice if it is true or the false. When we go for switch, it is used to write a decisions with scalar values to select the alternative that is to be executed. The execute statements follows the label, that is a selector value. Execution falls through the next case if there is no return, no break, etc. Execution also falls in the default statement if the selector value will be the label. While statement used to write a while statement that specifies the representation condition in the loop header. The condition, if it is treated before the iteration of the loop and it is true, the loop body executes, otherwise the loop is getting expired. When we go for a for loop, it is used to write the loop that is being specified with the initial iteration and also repetition conditions and update the steps in the loop. And also the initialization is used for the repetition begins condition that is treated with an initiation of the loop, and it is also a loop body that is to be executed in each statements of the each iteration. When we go for do while, it is a write of the loop that is representation condition after the loop body. And also the condition is used for each iteration of the loop if the true loop of the body is repeated, otherwise the loop is existed by the loop body always executes at one time. The if statement is consisting of simple if else, else if ladder, nested if, etc. Similarly, when we go for loop, each loop in the Java is that it is used for the repetition condition each and every time for the program is being executed. So methods in Java. So the Java defines the group of statements for particular operations, and also it indicates the static and the class method. The method is a static object by instance. All the method arguments are called as call by value. Primitive data type that is used for passing the method that may modify a local copy, but it is used for affecting the caller's value. The object reference is the address of the object that is being passed, and is also the change of the reference variable that is does not affecting the caller, but the operations can affect the objects that is visible to the particular caller. The examples of the class. So this is one of the library functions in Java that is consisting of the class math. Below are the table that shows the different types of mathematical operations that is used in Java for the executions of the class math in the Java. When we consider the class math in Java, that is an important aspect that is used for different operations that provides several methods to work on mathematical calculations like minimum, maximum, average, sine, cos, tan, round, seal, floor, ABS value, absolute value, etc. Unlike some of the strict mathematical classic numeric operations, all the implementations of the equivalent functions of the math cannot be defined in order to bit same result values. The relaxation permits the implementations with a better performance where it is strictly producibility is not required. If the size is too long and the results is overflow with the range of values, these methods can be used for add exact, subtract exact, multiply exact and tolerant exacts with the arithmetic expressions in Java. Escape sequences in Java. The escape sequences is the sequence of two characters that begins with the slash characters. So some of the escape sequences in Java are presented in this table, like slash n, slash t, double slash, slash double quotations, etc. So these escape sequences in Java is used for identifying a new line or identifying a tab space, etc. So the escape sequences is a character with a black slash and is used with the scope to define or perform some task. The total number of escape sequences in Java is 8 and it is used for each purpose. That is, like slash t is used for inserting a tab and slash b is used for inserting a backspace, whereas slash n is inserting for a new line and slash r is for carriage return and slash f is for farm feed, and the slash single quote is for inserting a single quote, and the double quotes is for inserting a double quote, etc. So the next one is string class. The string class is defining a data type that is used to store a sequence of characters in Java. You can also modify the string object. If we attempt to do so modifying a string object, we can create a new object that contains the modified character of a particular statement. This is all about the control flow structures and the string class in Java. Thank you all.